Okay, testing, testing. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. Yeah, so like I said, I'm on vacation right now. I'm in Michigan, so sorry. I started the stream up a little bit late. I think I should have everything running well though here. What's up, Mitch? Give me a second. I'll give you a call, man. Okay, yeah, volume's working well. Um, Let me find some headphones, Mitch, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you a call. So just give me a second, Mitch. Actually, I'm gonna put the wait screen up while I give Mitch a call, so nobody can harass me with my Skype handle. And so, give me a second, guys. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. The volume looks really good in this market. And so, give me a second. I'm gonna put the wait screen up while I call Mitch. Hey, baby, will you give me some headphones? Like some headphones. Like I said, give me 1 second, guys. There we go. Yeah, I know you guys can see everything I'm doing on here, but that's okay. There we go. Alright, you can hear me. I'm just getting my headphones ready to call Mitch. Okay, cool. Alright. Alright, Mitch, you ready, brother? There it is. Hey, Mitch, what's your, what's up, guys? Yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to get Skype up so I can give Mitch a call. Might take me just a second. Let me check the volume. See if the volume's coming through on these headphones. Yo, what's up, Mitch? I can't hear you, brother, so give me a second, man. I can see it connected, but I can't hear you. Okay, so I got my volume working. Um, there we go. Alright, so I can hear you, Mitch. Let me check the.
Yeah.
There might be an
Right.
echo.
Yeah, a little bit. Just tiny.
Yeah, hold on, man. Um, hmm. Headphones are being weird on this computer, man. Hmm. Yeah, this is weird, man. I can't The volume's not, the speakers aren't working on this computer. Very strange. Very, very strange. Sorry, guys. Bear with me a second. I'm setting it up. I'm on vacation right now, so I'm trying to set up so I can hear Mitch through these speakers. Let me test these speakers on something else. I know I can get you to come through the computer, but if I do it that route, there's going to be an echo. Yeah, the headphones work fine. Weird. And I still can't hear you, Mitch, so give me a second. Say something, Mitch. Testing. Man, this is weird. Yeah, I mean, so if you guys can hear Mitch, that's great, but I can't hear Mitch, and so I can't really talk through him. And so so if you can hear Mitch, good. I mean, I could probably call Mitch and just put it on my phone, but that would be a little bit more difficult. The only way I can figure out how to get it to work is if I go to headphones, and the only way to work if I unplug my computer. I can hear Mitch that way. Yeah. I've tried to do the volume mixer, man. I can't figure it out. Hey, Mitch, I'm just going to call you since people can hear you on the stream. I'm just going to call you and then let you talk through, and just listen to you on my phone. There you go. People should be able to hear you now, Mitch. Say something. So let me try seeing if my volume will work. Weird, man. The volume is just not working right now. Profit and loss from the last 2 weeks on TEFs. And okay, one thing I got the volume working, but for some reason Skype volume isn't working, man. Testing. 1, 2, 3. All right, so the microphone's working. All right, Mitch, I'm giving you a call, brother. I'm gonna call you again on Skype, Mitch. There we go.
All right, John, how we doing?
Okay, good. I can hear you on my computer. All right, so that's a good news. All right, let me try it. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, say something, Mitch.
All right. How we doing, guys?
No, you're still on my All right, say something.
All right. Check. Mic check 1, 2.
You're coming through on my computer, but these headphones aren't working, man, on my computer.
It's not going into the headphones?
No.
When you go to mixers in the device, what is it selected? there's a left corner where it says device, and you can down click.
I see system. I'm in the sound setting. I see system. Choose your output device, headphones. See, I can hear you on my computer now, which is better than it was before.
Hey, it's all good. I mean, as long as they can hear me a little bit, you can hear me. Even if they can't hear me,
Yeah,
if
but
you can hear me, you can just
well,
spread
no.
it out.
The problem with it though is that there's gonna be an echo, man. So like,
Oh, the echo through the speaker,
right.
yeah.
So one thing I can do is I can call you on my phone, and you can just stay on Skype, and I can mute you on my. Oh no, no, that's not gonna work either. Man, I don't know what to do in this situation, brother.
Yeah, I hear it in the stream. It's
Yeah,
not
it's
too
working in the
bad.
stream. Like I got it. Like I can hear it on my computer, but I can't get like what the problem is. I can't get the speakers to go on my microphone. You know.
Hey, hey, don't stress, man. We're getting to like 9/11. If anything, just focus on it. I sent you the SEC forms, so you can go over that AWX.
Okay. Yeah, AWX is going absolutely crazy, man. It's bizarre, dude. That thing went up to 30.
Yeah, I know the story behind it, so that's why I sent you it.
Okay, hold on.
And you'll see those two links. You can use those links, and you can bring them up in the chat, pull them up so people can see them.
Yeah. Okay.
Those two links will explain it.
Okay. All right, here. I'm gonna do a test thing real quick, guys. Give me a second. I'm gonna test something out real quick. So.
At least there's not too many stocks for the gappers today.
Right. Yeah. What's the echo like, guys? Okay. So if there's no if there's no echo, I'm just gonna have to do it like this. All right. I'll go ahead and minimize my screen. Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm watching. There we go. We're just gonna have to do it this way. Appreciate the sub, Wave. Appreciate it, brother. So yeah, we're just gonna have to do it like this, guys. That's just what we're gonna have to do. I'll fix it later.
Yeah.
The stream's getting going. It's getting a little late here. So yeah, watching AWX here. You can see AWX is looking good. It's at 26.20.
Yeah, guys, I saw it pre-market there, guys. I wanted to long it pre-market at $20. Oof, that would have been a move.
I mean, I don't even know if I'm gonna touch this thing though, man. That thing's
Nah, it's a rocket, man.
right.
Definitely on the long side. I don't think it's touchable anymore.
For sure. It's even on the short
as a-
side, I'm scared it's gonna get halted, brother. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean it's all about why is it making the move, guys. You gotta have an explanation. Stocks get T12 when there's no explanation, and there's stock manipulation.
Right.
In this stock, we found at least a story behind it. There's a story behind it. If you look into the SEC forms, you're going to go ahead and you're going to find that Mint Broker International has taken a 10% position on the stock. And whenever you take a 10% ownership of a stock or higher, you have to submit what's called a Form 3 with the SEC. And you're going to find that Mint Broker took 1.92 million there, and that's literally just over the float. And so you got stock flotation rotation there, and he's taken a long position there, and you can look into it, and you can actually find where he took the long.
Where did he get in at? What was his position?
I'm trying. I got to pull up another SEC. It's definitely down there in the 2s and the 3s. He's the short trader CEO. The short trader CEO is also the CEO of Mint Broker International. And if you look at the links that I sent you another link from OpenInsiders.com, which shows you his trades essentially on GBR that just rocketed up, and also MTSL. He's been doing it all summer long, guys.
So is this? You said it's the CEO of Sure Trader. Is that Guy Gentile?
Yes.
Okay.
That would be Guy Gentile, and he's also the CEO of Mint International, Mint Broker International.
Right, right. He recently opened up that that chat room. I noticed a few months ago he opened up that chat room that he's been doing.
If you pull up that that second link I gave you, you'll see his MTSL purchases and sales, and then you'll see GBR also same thing.
Right.
One of the key things of this, guys, is they're starting to notice a trend in a lot of traders getting into penny stocks, especially Shirt Trader. Shirt Trader takes opposite positions of you.
Yeah.
So you guys are just filling in his orders there all the way up here, and then he's gonna go ahead and dump it on you guys. His customers at Shirt Trader, he's gonna go ahead and dump it on them.
Right.
What makes it worse, guys, is that they have the ability to restrict the stock for you. So let's say if for some reason they can go ahead and just turn the stock to a 1-to-1 after they've already made their money on that way up, sell it, then dump it on you guys on the way down.
Right.
And you guys only can do cash positions on the way down.
Yeah, see, I've always said that about Shirt Trader, and like, I'm not necessarily against Shirt Trader. I think it's kind of a necessary evil, but
it's smart money versus dumb money, man.
right. And I mean, I know, like, the reason Shirt Trader has so many shorts available is because a lot of times they take the opposing side. Like, they give you those shorts. Like, they're the ones that act as the market maker in that situation a lot of the time. So they actually take the other end of it, and that's why, they have so many shorts available a lot of the time, is because they're on the other side of it.
MTSL is a perfect explanation of it. You see, he bought some at 462, let it go long, and then he crashed it at 360. You see on the daily, gets to that 360 spot, and it just fails.
Right.
The main key is also is that they file this at the end of their trading day. So, like, let's say if they crash it today, they're going to have to file at the end of today for the Form 3, and then it'll show the sale.
Right.
But that's the key, guys. You're facing dark pool orders in this kind of stock. That's why I was letting you guys know earlier in the week, last week, that this stock had no pattern. I could see it. It was just getting manipulated on the way down. It kept having just straight crashes on the level 2 and time of sales, and yet getting huge bids near the bottom.
You're talking about AWX, right?
Yeah, AWX.
Yeah, this thing has been super sketchy.
If you look into it, also Steven Dux talks about it, how you got to notice the pattern, guys. Every day it kept doing morning panic, getting bought up on the bid, huge, and then swinging up and holding steady in the afternoon, and just straight swinging up near the close or aftermarket.
Right.
So that's the key also, guys. You got to start seeing the pattern in these stocks. They're doing consistent patterns, guys.
Mm-hmm.
A stock that I'm seeing right now make huge moves right now, pre-market, is that I think it was that IPO that you guys traded, that PDD.
Yeah, it's down some in pre.
Yeah, it had a nice little candle there from 23 all the way down to 22.84.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I'm watching SSLJ. Probably my biggest watches. That's probably one of my biggest watches. It's one that it's not super untrustworthy like AWX, at least from what I see. And it actually, it's up a decent amount. Looks a little extended, so may look for that one for that VWAP fade setup.
Yeah, AWX is definitely an expert type of trade. It's not even a trade I would recommend for someone even at my level or been in the market for over a year or two. This is something that the big traders are really going to nail. If you have a small account, it's really hard to nail this stock because you're starting to get to the range where the bid and the ask price start separating way too much. And so when you get into the trade, you might find yourself already down, $50 to $100 just because of the spread.
Right. Yep. Yeah, I'm not. It's just kind of one of those things where it's like, everybody's kind of been talking about AWX. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers put out videos about how sketchy AWX is, and I can't necessarily say I disagree. There's just not a pattern there. It's just hurting accounts right now. It's just hurting accounts.
Yeah, but the good thing I do like about it is that it is bringing traders to the trading room. Definitely, we're gonna have guys definitely active today. One of the key things you can look for is when a stock is going parabolic, there's usually what's called sympathy movers. And these are stocks you usually don't have exactly to do with the stock, but seeing as traders are looking for the next move, the next one that's going to move, just like AWX, if they see something jumping on like high day momentum scanners and really getting a good lift, they usually try to take a chance, seeing as sometimes you get rotationary plays. People watching AWX, they see another stock going through the moon and they say, okay, well, I can't really judge AWX, so I'm going to take my chance with this stock. And they go into that stock. So something to watch out for today.
All right, hold on, Mitch. I'm looking up how to get the stuff to go through my headphones. Sorry if I'm getting subs. I appreciate the subscribers, guys. Like you could see, I'm on a laptop right now, which I'm not on my desktop as normal, and so I can't see when I get a sub. But I appreciate all the subscribers, guys. I hear them going on. So give me 1 second, Mitch. Talk for a second. I'm trying to go through the sound and try to fix something. So
All right, guys. I'm going through the chat, running through the chat for you guys. All right, what do we see here? Everyone's talking about AWX. I'm not trying to talk about if someone's a fraud or not. That doesn't really have anything to do with trading. Let's focus more on the actual stock and the story behind it. That's why let's bring up more facts and just stick to the facts, guys. All right, guys. Another stock that I'm going to be looking at is BioC on the crash. I'm looking at the daily. The daily still has that gap down underneath 335 all the way down to where it gapped from underneath $1. So I'm going to be keeping this one on watch. Also, I got eye on watch. Very volatile stock. It's made a couple green days. Has a pretty good high there of $21. And as a small stock, the only other small stock I see really is SSLJ. SSLJ, we have a gap to fill up to 296. 296. So what I would want to see in this stock is for it to hold this $2 level where the VWAP is, maybe make a little move down to 190, find support at 190, and swing back above that pre-market high of 228, guys. I think it's made an A move and now a B move, so you can probably maybe get a C move and then a crash on SSLJ.
You have some other headphones. Can you go find those other ones, please? Alright, so I'm gonna try a different pair of headphones. I don't think that's necessarily a problem. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, good. Yeah, so I'll try another set of headphones. If it doesn't work, that's fine. I'm just gonna have to play it over my speakers. It doesn't sound like the echo's too bad here, so this will just have to work. T and XP, CRMD, APR. Alright, so what were you saying, Mitch? You saying AWX, SSLJ? I've got a few other ones like RDHL. I can't trade that one. I put my watch list in the chat a second ago.
Yeah, a lot of traders are going over the SEC of sure traders, so
Right.
the CEO's out. They're out to hunt that CEO now.
There's DRRX. A few people talking about it at 168. Looks okay. I might watch that one. SOGO gapping down. SOGO. Gapping down from 1033 to 915. We got TXMD. I think this one's gapping down as well. Actually, TXMD, not my favorite. SXE. Moving some in pre at 87 cents. CHK was a big mover yesterday or Friday, and had a few VWAP fades. It's gapping up some from 441 to 448, so a small gap, but it's been moving some in pre. Yeah, that's basically what I'm watching right now. Is AWX, SSLJ, maybe SRAX. Volume looks good though this morning, brother. Volume looks good. So maybe I'll be able to take a bigger swing today, see if that ends up working out. But yeah, I really got to figure out how to get the headphones working on this thing, man. Hey, bud. Hey, bud, you want to say hi to everyone? Say hi.
Hi.
You got to be louder, buddy.
Hi.
Can y'all hear him? Can you hear
Hey,
him, Mitch?
hey, hey.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
There you go. All right. Son's hanging out here with me.
Hey, that's our hero right there.
Right, right. Oh, thank you. All right, I'm gonna try some new headphones. But yeah. So I put out my video on my P&L this past few weeks, and it's been pretty good. 80% accuracy. My net profit's not really showing like I want it to though, so that's the biggest thing I got to work on. All right, so new headphones. Let's see if these work. I thought I heard it work for a second. Say something, Mitch.
What's going on? What's going on?
Yeah, no, they're still not working. I'll mess with it after the stream. They're working now. That's cool. Yeah, what's up, NYC? Yeah, sorry guys. Just now, let me catch up on the chat. All right. So good morning, Missouri, NYC, Sultan, Netron, Callum. What's up, brother? Coolio. Hey, also I saw Callum had a Callum Parker. Y'all go check out Callum Parker's YouTube channel. I noticed I was looking at it on Friday. Callum's got a YouTube channel where he day trades live. So go check his out sometime as well. Pretty cool channel. What's up, Cool? How you doing, brother? NYC. Good morning. KC Mac. What's up? What's up, bro? Huguetes. Good morning. Eric Wade. Good morning, brother. Adi. Good morning. Let's see. Seven, what's up, brother? Tiny, good morning. Michael. My Thinkorswim's working good, brother. Tyler, TORC. Let's look at TORC. I don't know, man.
Yep.
Want some more volume.
Long traders being careful, guys. So it just shows you guys that if the big long traders are being careful with AWX, you guys should be careful with AWX also.
Right. Good morning, Tyler, Joshua, JJ, Lindsay, Joe. Good morning. Let's see. I think that's just about everybody. I'm not going to have time to go through the whole chat because the market opens up in 2 minutes.
Interesting seller again. There's an interesting seller, guys, that I'm watching on the time and sales. The two prices that I've seen gone through is 34.28, 25,000 shares out of the exchange NADF. Then also at 12,000 shares, also from the same exchange. I'm going to be really careful in watching that exchange go through. I think that's where the seller could be hiding. And so I'm going to be trying to add up these share sizes to start seeing when we can actually have a good amount of position crashing down on us. Right there, that's only about 37,000 shares, and that's still not enough to really determine that the stock has just been done. So as we are seeing in the pre-market from 8:30 to now, it still is downtrending. So
AWX?
Yeah,
it's crashing, man. Sorry.
Yeah, the real key is I'm watching those sellers, guys. Remember, pre-market, for someone to put 25,000 shares out there, it's someone that has a really, really big position. It's not someone with a smaller position because you affect the price way too much pre-market with 25,000 shares. This stock has only traded 500,000 shares for the day.
There's the bell.
So watch it, guys.
All right, here we go. Good morning, Sean. Yeah, I'm definitely being careful with AWX.
1697, the same kind of seller. 87,000 shares there.
All right, SSLJ running up some to 240. Watching CHK here. SRAX as well, although I don't like SRAX as much. We'll see what we can find here. Man, I miss my home desktop, brother.
Yeah, definitely different.
MYND gapping up some.
MYMD going off.
Let's see. CRMD. Falling down some. RLJE. No.
Hey guys, what did SSLJ do? Come down to that 190 support, bounce, and go through it. Called the pre-market for you guys. Now I think that's the third move, so you got to be careful up there in the 240s. You see it made a move pre-market, a move at 8:45, now a move at 9:30, guys.
A lot of people, everybody's watching AWX right now.
Without a doubt.
ADMA.
That order, guys, there was a huge order, 87,000 shares going through at 1697.
Look at
1697 is really far from the price, guys.
Look at SSLJ. It's spiking up here. It's up to 250. I'm looking at SOGO for a possible VWAP fade. If it looks kind of bearish here. Maybe look for a bounce up to after a few more. Maybe if you can get down to that 875 level, look for a bounce up back up to 9.
Look at that, guys. $1 spread.
There's no way I'm touching that, man. There's no way. It's just the risk to reward is just not there, regardless of what the chart says. It's just too risky to get into stock like this right now. At least for me, I'm not, you know.
Hey, I can hear that emotion, man. No stress. Let it go.
Yeah,
Worry
man.
about other stocks and nail them.
NOK,
Don't worry about that one.
watching NOK Nokia at 558. Let's see what we have here. SOGO, watching to see what SOGO does, giving a little bit of time and spiking back up here. DNR, I don't think I can trade DNR, but watching it, there's a spike back up to the VWAP on SOGO. Look at SOGO right now.
Alright.
It's actually a pretty good risk reward even if you base it off the high of the day at 920. It's just not the pattern down to a T, and it's a little late, but watching SOGO here, it kind of looks like a VWAP fade, but we'll see. I might kick myself for not jumping in, but AWX looks bearish for sure. Looks bearish here. And look at SSLJ. So if SSLJ can break underneath the VWAP and then bounce back, I might think about it.
MYND going off. MYND.
Look at that. Yeah, look at that washout long. Beautiful washout long. What else was I looking at? HCLP. Spiking some HCLP. Checking my scanners here. Look at SOGO. DRRX. DRRX watching for a VWAP bounce. So the volume is good today, so today I might use a little bit larger sizing. We'll see how that works out.
Can't trade MYND, so let that go. AWX, too much volume at that $15 level.
Is it halted?
For me to go ahead and try. No, it's not. It's hanging around a consolidation between 1670 and 1417 guys there.
Well,
$3 range right now.
The reason I'm asking, I think my Thinkorswim is frozen right now. Now it's back. It's back now, but it was just frozen for the last 30 seconds or so.
Yeah, mine's working at least. So. MYND there, guys. Up there to 238. Be careful with it, though.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that VWAP fade on SOGO.
There you go, guys. Be careful with this pullback here down to probably $2 range.
Look at SOGO, Mitch.
SOGO.
Look at that VWAP fade. Called that one out, man. Really good risk to reward. You can set your risk at 920 with your potential reward at that 888 level.
Nice. Fading to the open. Then it crashed to the support.
Yep.
Bounce up.
Tap
nice
the
entry.
Yep.
Could have been taking profit right about now and looking for your ad.
Yep. So now I'm looking at SSLJ, and what I really want to see with SSLJ is I want to see a bounce under 2. I want to see the VWAP come down to around the whole dollar of 2 is really what I want to see. And then I want to see a bounce to that if it breaks underneath it. So kind of a very
Hey,
specific pattern, but we'll see if it
bigger
has
stock, guys, but beautiful VWAP fade cat.
CAT.
Yep, beautiful. Up there to $46.
It's still got
Right
time.
back down to 45.
I mean, it's still got time to
Down
bounce.
there to 42.
It still has time to bounce back up there as well. You can see.
Yeah,
it.
the first VWAP fade has already gone, so you could get the bounce again to about 45.33.
Right.
The real key is that earlier one, you had a risk point.
Right. This
You had
one
a
not
risk
so
point
much.
of 46.19, 20 cents you could have risked up there for a $1 move instant.
All right, there's the bounce back on Sogo.
CAWX found support down there, guys.
Look at Sogo. I don't know if I like this
Hey,
one.
remember on AWX what I said pre-market, guys? The pattern was every single day, morning panic, then held bids, then it started to rip back up there, guys. That's why I didn't go and I jumped in early. It's been the same pattern. I'm not going to go ahead and just jump in and be the people that don't see the everyday pattern doing the same thing.
Right.
You can't be part of the herd and expect to win on this kind of stock.
Yeah, there goes Sogo. Possible washout long, breaking over the high of the day.
PDD.
Yeah, that looks like a nice little fade here. I might jump in PDD right here. Let me try to analyze what kind of sizing I should take. I'm thinking maybe 50 shares.
Yeah, say if you can get the 60s or 58s, I wouldn't do anything lower than that.
Spread's kind of gnarly.
Yeah, 62 right there was probably the spot. I saw 62 roll through there.
There we go, back up to 65. Alright, I'm in with 50 shares on PDD when it bounced back there. I'll try to give it some time. Small share size. I'll plan to add if it gets around that 22.75 level. If not, I'll just kind of watch it here.
Squeeze it a little bit.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a little bit of time.
Yeah, you can give it a little bit.
Push back down. That's what I want to see.
There you go. Oh, that looks nice.
Squeeze back up to 22.80.
Let's see the sales.
Got down to the 60s. Squeeze up to 90, back down. Spreads a
Yeah,
little.
2 candles closed at the VWAP.
I think my thinkorswim's lagging a little bit, honestly.
Yeah, you got 75 by 79 there.
Okay. Here it goes. Now I can see it better. It's back down to 75. Alright, so it's holding underneath it well. Obviously I want to see a little bit larger tank here. Back down to 70.
This is going to be the candle right here.
Yeah. It's a little bit too drawn out for a VWAP fade. Is the biggest problem I have with it, is that it's
Yeah, it's too
consolidating.
measured.
It's consolidating up there for too long.
Oh, check. No.
If that makes sense, like it's too long up there. Look at Cat though; it's a little bit more expensive of a stock, like you pointed out, but it's VWAP fade setup right there.
And then I'm gonna be in trouble if I don't have these, okay?
It's
Getting
up
ready
there
to
at
exit.
87 now.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to exit. Want to see.
In my eyes, I'm out there. I'm already out.
Yeah, I'm out right there.
Yeah,
$12
all
loss.
right.
Not bad.
So when you got the close above VWAP, I think that's when you needed to get out. It closes that last candle 939 at 2270, and the VWAP is at 2264.
Right.
So that I think is the signal. So it was fine that I think you were holding in between VWAP because you knew the range was right there. Once you close above VWAP, I think that's the signal to get out.
Right.
Because now you're more on the long side.
Yeah, that's kind of when I got out. Like that last candle, not this current red one, but that last one is when I jumped out. Hey, bud. How you doing, dude? What you doing, man? You hanging out? I'm kind of looking at
AWX back to $20 there, guys. What it do? Morning panic, found support there, and now it's back up there at $20 there, guys. Bounced to $4 there. That's why you don't rush into the morning panics, especially on a stock like this.
I'm kind of looking at CAT, man. I'm kind of bummed out. That was a good fade on CAT.
Yeah, it was not bad, not bad. Your trade wasn't bad either, man.
Yeah, no, I mean, honestly, I'm not upset with it. Like,
what sizing did you get in?
Just 50 shares. It's a $23 stock, and so 50 shares was
enough. Give
enough.
yourself some room.
Right.
Yeah.
But watching SSLJ here. But yeah, cat looks good. But yeah, I mean, it was the VWAP fade. The VWAP fade's not going to work every time. I think especially if you look at my P&L from the last 2 weeks, that there's obviously an edge with the VWAP fade, but nothing works 100% of the time, and so I can't really expect it to. And so because of that, I can't really get upset when it doesn't work, just because I know.
Game of probabilities, man.
Right.
Game of probabilities.
You know, and even before I exited, I saw stuff I didn't like, which is it was consolidating around the VWAP for a little bit too long. You know, a lot of times with
that's what
fade,
I was seeing, and then the close.
Right.
So you were seeing it. You were seeing that consolidation. Consolidation, like we both said, is fine as long as it doesn't get above VWAP, and once it held VWAP, I think that's when we need to go ahead and close it.
Right. Yeah, I mean, it was just sitting up there too long. A lot of times with the fade, it will go up to the VWAP and then it'll get rejected and come back down fairly shortly after.
I'm still looking at it on a bearish sense. If it can fail 23 and get back below that VWAP, I'm gonna start keeping an eye on it, guys.
Right. I mean, it's still below that previous high of the day at 23.50, and so you know it's still in play, I think.
Yeah, there you go. It reject those 23 pretty hard, so I'll look at it.
Kind of watching SSLJ here for a short if it bounces back to the VWAP here up to 220. We'll see though. Bearish trend, looking for a bounce to the VWAP, but I think it may hold under that 22.15 level is important too. There's a fade back down on AWX on the VWAP as well.
Yeah, I'm not touching that bit, guys. I think with AWX, you gotta wait. You gotta be patient. The patient trader wins on this stock, not the one that rushes in the open.
Right.
Still not even 9:45, guys.
Look at EMPH.
I want to find a pattern with AWX. It doesn't have a pattern yet. It's just VWAP fading there, but the hold at the bottom was way too big.
Right. I mean, it is VWAP fading, but it's not in a bearish trend. Right. It's actually in a bullish trend.
What I always look for is the big volume at the open wash, but then at the bottom there can't be that big volume, and I feel like on this stock there's way too much volume there at that bottom for the support.
You said we can't trade NYND? No.
Yeah, we can't.
LBRT.
I'm watching I also, guys. I'm looking for it to fail long, but I'm still waiting. Still within the pattern.
See, I watch it SSLJ, but it's got a lot of support at that 196, 190 level. ABIO. Nah, ABRI sucks. Look at APRI. I mean, it's a little bit cheaper of a stock, but it doesn't look too bad there.
Weird stock, but I'm watching AMID. It's a gap down reversal, but it went below the support at the open, which is a little bit strange.
Hey, bud. Stop, buddy. This is an interesting level on CAT. I'm actually watching it. It's a little bit more expensive of a stock, but it's an interesting level here. Okay, you can go. That's fine. Alright, so we'll see SSLJ, how it acts here. Yeah, there goes Cat. Cat was a really nice VWAP fade, honestly. We'll see how it acts at the $0.50.
Hey, the VWAP fade would have gave you some money at least on AWX because it went to the support again. But I don't think it'll break that support, and that's why I didn't want to go in it.
Right.
I usually try to trade for a support break, and I can only see in my analysis there bounce off the support, not a breakthrough.
Right, right. Watching SSLJ here. It's right around that VWAP. We'll see if it gets faded back down.
Guys, called the SSLJ. It's the key. Last opened up, ripped through, bounced off 190, gave one more run. It'd be the third run.
Right, that's what I'm looking
So
at
it's
too.
done. That's exactly what I was looking for at the open. You know, I should have just stayed watching it because I seen it pre-market do one run, then run again at 8:45. Was expecting a break of that, a push. We got through those 240s, so it got up to a little bit more. But that was the last run, guys. You see that big red candle come in there.
Man, look at Cat. Cat spiking up here massively. Might be a reversal signal here. Might come back down on Cat. We'll see.
AWX, guys, hold 10 on the way down.
Look at that beautiful fade on SSLJ.
Halt on AWX, guys.
Yep. Just goes to show why I'm not touching that thing.
Never know when it can open up.
Alright, man. That's a gamble right there. It's like playing roulette in the stock market right now.
Hey, definitely don't want to do you gotta learn how to just manage your risk. So you can take this trade, guys. You gotta know your risk. That's it. If you're willing to risk $100, $200, then it's fine. You know, you can take a small share size position.
Right.
I definitely want to learn how to play these guys. Eventually, you guys will see me all over these. Just got to keep bringing the data up, understanding how to do it, and then I'll be able to get it. We're watching some great videos through the weekend, practicing.
Hey, where is he? Oh, there he is.
All
Okay.
right, PDD back underneath that VWAP, guys. What did it do? Reject those 23s. All right, I want to see a bounce to $23 and fail, guys. It's not about jumping in right here, just because if I jump in right here and it bounces to $23 and then fails, that's how you get just stopped out, and you're trying to be too greedy and jumping into the trade. But yeah, that 23 is what I was looking for.
Yeah, I got rejected hard there. Still watching SSLJ to see what it's going to do here. It's got a massive amount of support at 2. And so we'll see. I mean, trying to be patient with it.
I see one more touch of VWAP rejection. That's the only way.
Yeah, I'm kind of looking for PDD for that rejection here.
Has to reject 23s.
SDLP, SDLP. Spiking up some. NAK running.
Open on AWX, guys. Open there. And bam, getting hit hard there at 431s, but you saw what? Green volume going through there.
Looking good for that fade, but I don't, like I said, not touching it.
This is what I expected, guys, to come into support there. I expected not a breakthrough through this support, and that's why I didn't short there at that VWAP. You know, if you go for that, this is when you want to be taking your profits in that range right there on that support, and then you can go for a bounce, look for the add. That's what this trade's all about, the range there. You got to know how to set your risks.
Look at Cat for the beautiful fade. There we go. It's back. But yeah, tomorrow, brother, you might want to stream, man. It's back again. But yeah, guys, sorry if you can hear me. My internet at this hotel is not great, and so yeah, everybody go check out Mitch's channel. Yeah.
Yeah, you can send them to my channel.
Okay.
I'll be on it in a couple seconds.
Okay. Alright, there you go. I posted your link. Just let me know when you're live, brother.
Yeah, just trying to fix it up. Alright.
But yeah, guys, if you can still hear me, go to Mitch's channel. I just posted the link in the chat. Internet's giving me problems here. I'm at a different hotel, so internet's not working like I want it to.
Good morning, traders.
There we go. So go check out Mitch's
How we
channel.
doing, guys?
Go check out Mitch's channel. The link is in the description, and I'll see you all later.